Is your full-sized oven taking too long to heat up, or are you tired of soggy leftovers? Welcome back. Today, we're reviewing the 5 best smart countertop ovens on Amazon that are changing the way we cook. From space-saving flip designs to high-tech self-cleaning domes, these ovens bring pro-level performance to your kitchen. Let's find the perfect one for your counter. Product 1. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart TOA60 is a classic for a reason. This 1800-watt powerhouse is a 7-in-1 kitchen workhorse that lets you air fry, convection bake, broil, and toast with zero hassle. What makes it smart is its ultra-quiet, high-velocity fan that circulates heat so efficiently you can cook a 4-pound chicken or a 12-inch pizza in record time. It's designed for those who want the performance of a premium air fryer without adding another appliance to the counter. The exterior stainless steel is timeless, and the non-stick interior makes wiping away grease a simple task. It's large enough to feed a family of 4, but compact enough not to dominate your workspace. For reliability and crispiness that rivals deep frying, this Cuisinart model remains a top-tier contender for any American home.
Product 2. Typher Dome Self-Cleaning Oven. The Typher Dome is the future of kitchen tech. It's famously known as the world's fastest air fryer thanks to its unique cyclonic circulation and dual heating elements. The standout feature here is the self-clean mode, a rarity in countertop units, which uses high heat to burn off grease, making it incredibly low maintenance. It features a massive, flat cooking surface that can fit a full 12-inch pizza or 32 chicken wings in a single layer, ensuring everything gets perfectly crispy without needing to shake a basket. With its sleek touchscreen and integrated smart app, you can monitor your steak or bacon from your phone. It's a premium, futuristic piece of hardware for the tech-savvy cook who values speed, capacity, and the luxury of never having to scrub an air fryer basket again.
Product 3. Ninja Foodi 8-in-1 Flip Oven. If you have a small kitchen, the Ninja Foodi digital air fry oven is a total game changer. Its most famous smart feature is the flip-away capability. When you're done cooking, the entire oven flips up against your backsplash, reclaiming 50% of your counter space. Despite its slim profile, it's remarkably powerful, using digital crisp control technology to air fry, roast, and bake with 60% faster results than a traditional oven. It can toast 6 slices of bread or air fry 4 pounds of fries at once. The removable back panel gives you easy access to the interior for deep cleaning, solving the biggest pain point of most toaster ovens. It's the perfect blend of high-performance cooking and brilliant space-saving design, making it an essential for apartment living or minimalist kitchens.
Product 4. Breville Smart Oven Pro. The Breville Smart Oven Pro is the gold standard for precision. It features Element IQ technology, which intelligently distributes power across 5 quartz heating elements to ensure heat is delivered exactly where it's needed for consistent results. One of its unique smart features is the slow cook function, allowing you to tenderize meats for up to 10 hours, just like a dedicated slow cooker. The interior light turns on automatically when you open the door or when the cooking cycle is nearly finished, so you can monitor your progress without losing heat. It accommodates a 13-inch pizza and features a beautiful LCD display with 10 preset functions. This is the oven for the home chef who wants a secondary oven that performs with the exactitude of a professional range.
Product 5. Beelicious 20-in-1 Smart Oven. The Beelicious Smart Oven is the ultimate multitasker for large families. With a massive 20-liter capacity and 20 unique presets, it handles everything from rotisserie chicken and dehydrating fruit to fermenting yogurt. It uses a high-speed convection fan to ensure 360-degree hot air circulation, resulting in food that is juicy on the inside and crunchy on the outside. The digital touchscreen is intuitive, and it comes packed with accessories, including a rotisserie spit, air fry basket, and a crumb tray. The smart, fine-tuned settings allow you to adjust temperature and time mid-cycle without stopping the cook. For its size and versatility, it offers incredible value.
effectively replacing a toaster, an air fryer, a dehydrator, and a rotisserie machine all in one sleek stainless steel package.
When looking at the pros, the versatility is unmatched. These machines use significantly less energy than a full-sized oven and cook 30% to 50% faster. In terms of price compatibility, the Cuisinart and Ninja Flip are the best mid-range investments for daily use. The Beelicious offers the most features per dollar for large families. If you want a professional-grade tool, the Breville is worth the premium, while the Typhor Dome is the luxury choice for those who want the absolute fastest, cleanest tech on the market. Regardless of your budget, moving to a smart countertop oven is one of the best upgrades you can make for your daily meal prep. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. If you want, you can also share it with your friends.